Who did know say Dantay Brooks, Mavado's son, was shot when he was about 14 years old? Who did know that? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the Big Bad channel. People open and stay safe from the coronavirus. Now, in this video, we will talk about Dantay Brooks, who is the son of popular dancehall artist Mavado. Now, people, we know say Dantae recently got convicted for the offenses of murder, arson, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. And we all know say another look at DPDB offense that people are serious crime them there. You get me I say? So we come to talk about the whole thing. We talk about that. We will talk about him environment and growing up in and several other factors where might have, caused him to be in the position that he in today. So make sure to make yourself comfortable, people. Ensure you like up my video them. Ensure you like this video. Make sure you share it. Make sure you leave a comment, people. And ensure you subscribe. Because if you not subscribe, I'm going to pray you seriously. Alright, so I've been a follower go on social media, especially on IG, and I follow the comments them. And I have a shape made because I see several comments of people that say, yo, people just bad mind Mavado. People that say, yo, all the system I try to get through to Mavado so children can't get in and get him son. People that say a bag of crap, people, but hear me I say, man, there's a but. You see me? And it is good when you have persons or you know persons in the places so you can get the first hand information. So you know if you, assume or speculate, you get first hand information. And this is what we have and this is how we're going to present to you in the video. You see me I say? Now, Dantay Brooks, Zine, is a very young youth. Dantay about probably 17 now. I think him get charged when I'm 16. You see me? Mavado about 2004, 2003. So you know say Dantay born come see things. And I like the ordinary ghetto youth where, struggle right through it and because of probably circumstances, then they have to take certain part. See, this is not the case for Dantay. Dantay just choose badness and he choose say, yo, this is one part of me I go. Maybe because him young and him father have the money and him have access to money like that. It's like, him head in a level. But people are going to be real, the youth make a big mistake in them life. You see me I say? And we have to accept that and we have to try and we have to hope that this now I go, change my life for the better, people, because at the end of the day, I'm a human being same way. Now because I'm a father son or whoever son it might be, he's a human being. And if you're not careful, you see me, you have a thing called peer pressure or influence. If you're not careful, them a thing that will lead you astray. Because the youth will get charged with them, when they call Andre Hines, people, which is a older youth theme. Based on my research and my checks, Andre Hines is nobody nice. That man has been in lockups more than in their yard. So if a them a kind of people here, Dantay have around him, Zine, for influence him, then you know what will happen. Look on the case with Malvo. Remember the case that we used to have this man who used to manipulate the youth to carry him going to shoot people. So I do something like that, may I say. If you have persons older than you, we have the influence upon you, or the impact upon you, we can program you, then, you will be easily led astray. Alright, people, so we all know say Dantae come from Cassava Piece. We know say Mavado responsible for Cassava Piece. You see me? So Mavado they are foreign of the theme thing. Dantae still there in a piece as a juvenile. So here we go now, say being that Dantae a Mavado's son, the people in the community are go running into Dantae. Them are go push him up because them are say, yo, they gotta do this, So them are try to build, a relationship with Dantae. Them are try to get pan theme side. So boom, look like this get to the youth head. And they would start do a bag of foolishness. So come back chat now to which part, I tell you they get shot. So when I'm about 14 years old. Alright, so sometime during the time there, Dantae they get shot and him go hospital. I think he get shot in him hand, if I don't lie. When you can do no checks on people, you can do no research, but he was shot when he was about 14. Now initially when the police them go investigate and I ask Dantae, what go on? Dantae give them a story, him tell them say him there a party, a man come there come fire shot and him get shot. Zine, that was the story I'm give the police them. The police them start the investigation and when I'm going to Cassava Piece and do them investigation, I realize say nothing go near where I must say people. When the police them pick up, they must say that Dantae had a gun and he must experiment or he must ramp the gun and shot himself in him hand. You see me? And I saw him end up get shot and go hospital. So when the police them get the information and then go back at the hospital for interview Dantae, the youth tell them his name. And for them tell them his name, he not say the next word in English. He get dumb. The police could have questioned him until him weak. Him not answer one more question. And that tell you something. If you're a youth who are 14 years old, do that something like that. you know say him well coach. You get me as a people. So at them kind of lifestyle the Dantae did take up from a tender age. Gun thing, a buy a gun, I've gonna issue on a cassava piece. So not for what comment on certain things, I just know what really are going on. As me I say, I just know what is going on. This is no joke, people. And if you think I lie, me I tell you, you can always go do your research and come back and tell me where you find out. You get me I say? Yeah man. You can always go do your research and come back. Because at the end of the day, I tell you say, me get information from a credible source. First on information. So I don't need to make up nothing and tell you no. So who doubt me I say can go do the research and come back. You see me? Now the youth get charged, serious charge for murder, arson. And I'm not just murder alone, you know, call him like the man body went in and kill him. So he get charged for murder, arson. And he get charged for gun them use. So you know say a serious something this and him you know they behind bars for quite some time. I can tell you that him they behind bars for quite some time. You see me? But at the end of the day, where them say in every bad there is good, or you can find good out of every bad situation. I just hope say this experience him have as a juvenile now, I go mold him and I go change him whole mindset. You see me? It will have a negative impact upon him life because this will follow him for life. Anything I do, this will come back for haunt him. You see me? He get convicted for murder or serious something that he's a convict. So as I say, you know, in every bad situation I can find good. So I hope this will help him, or them have some program I can, you know, help him in development. So when he come back on the road, him can do something useful with him life. Even though him father have money and all of that, but personally, I like him to adjust him whole, you know, frame of mind and try be a good human resource when he come back on the road and can do something positive. Probably he can, you know, be a role model now in the community for the rest of the youth them. So based on him experience I'm going through now, I hope he can come back and bring back something to the same Cassava Piece community when they come out of the ghetto and, you know, be a role model for the youths them. So viewers and subscribers, thanks for taking the time to watch the video again, people, and I'm just big up 100%. Ensure you like this video, share it, comment on the video, people. If you're to comment or discuss, if you have information, comment and make what you have to say so we can talk about it. You see me I say? Subscribe to my channel, go follow me over Instagram at Jamaican Drama 1. People, go follow me. Big up on yourself until next time. Peace.